Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. So, you know what we are going to do today? We are going to narrate a story. It's a very interesting story. In this story, there are animals. First, I would like to tell you something. Animals are dedicated and careful parents. When the animal babies grew up slowly, they teach them how to build their nest or home, how to find the food from the forest, what kind of fruits they can eat from the forest. In the same way as your parents teach you. When you are a baby and you grow up, your parents also teach you how to walk, how to eat, and many other things. So today we'll start with chapter 1, Mowgli Grows Up. This is a very interesting and a famous story by Rudyard Kipling. This story is about a boy called Mowgli. He grew up in the jungle and he was guided by his friends, the bear and the panther and many others. Now first let's see the characters in the story. Bagheera the panther, Balu the bear, Sher Khan the tiger, Akela the old wolf and Tabaki the jackal. Now Mowgli grew up with the cubs, and though the cubs were grown wolves, he was still a child. Before he was a child, the wolves were the grown wolves. And the father and the mother wolf take him as their own. Father or mother wolf, wolf यानी क्या होता है भेड़िया, तो वो वुल्फ के फैमिली में बड़ा हुआ था. तो जो फादर और मदर वुल्फ थे वो उसे अपने बच्चे की तरह ही रखते थे. And the father wolf taught him the meanings of the things in the jungle. The noise of the leaves in the night, the sound of the owls, the scratch of the bat's claws when he slept, and the splash of every little fish swimming in the pool. And when the fish jump in the pool, the noise of that splash. So he taught him many things of the jungle. And when he was not learning anything, he used to sit out in the sun and slept, and ate and went again to sleep. And when he felt hot and warm, he swam in the pools. And when he wanted honey, he climbed up the tree. जब उसको गर्मी लगती थी या उसको ऐसा लगता था कि वो डर्टी है, तो he used to go and swim in the pool. और अगर उसको हनी चाहिए तो वो ट्री पे क्लाइंब करता था. और उसको ट्री पे क्लाइंब करना किसने सिखाया था? बगीरा ने. Bagheera showed him how to do it. Bagheera lay out on the branches and called him along. So he clung like the sloth. Sloth means bear. So he clung like the sloth on the tree. And he climbed up the branches like a monkey. And his friends, wolves, they suffered terribly from the thorns and burrs. उसके जो फ्रेंड्स थे wolves, उनके पैर में thorns लग जाते थे. And burrs means the seeds covered with the sharp points that stick into their fur or coat. तो जो पॉइंटेड सीड्स के कवर होते थे वो उनके वुल्व्स के फर में स्टिक हो जाते थे. तो मोगली यूज्ड टू पिक द लॉन्ग थॉर्न्स फ्रॉम द पैड्स ऑफ देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड टू रिमूव द बर्ड्स फ्रॉम देयर कोट. And when Mowgli looked down the hillside in the cultivated lands, when he down the hillside in the cultivated land at night, he curiously looked at the villagers. But he did not trust the man. He did not have trust on man, because Bagheera showed him a square box with the drop gate, which was cleverly hidden in the forest, and told him that it was a trap. बगीरा ने मोगली को एक बॉक्स दिखाया था जिसमें एनिमल्स को ट्रैप किया जाता था, जो फॉरेस्ट में छुपा कर रखा हुआ था. So Mowgli thought that it is better to go with Bagheera in the dark, warm heart of the forest and sleep through the day and at night he would see how Bagheera hunted.